Now I will teach you the first technique to turn a basic transition into a standard quality one commonly used by content creators. Import a background color and one basic transition where we've already replaced the green screen into the Edit menu in CapCut Mobile. Tap the transition, then select Overlay, and drag it beneath the background color. Next, tap the transition again. Choose Remove Background, select Chroma Key, and move the center point toward the white color, then adjust it until it looks neat. Once done, let's review it. After everything looks clean, tap the transition and choose Duplicate, then select Reverse. Adjust the length of the background color to be shorter than the duration of the transition, and make sure the end part shows green. If the transition delay feels too long, let's shorten it by trimming it a bit. Let's review it again. And once it's neat, tap the transition on the right, then select Transform, choose Mirror, then export it. Finally, we've turned a basic transition into a standard quality one ready for upload. Now, import the transition into the CapCut Edit menu with a variety of background colors to create all the Technique 1 variations in a single video. Tap the transition, select Overlay, then drag it below the background color. Choose Remove Background, then select Chroma Key. Move the center point to the red color, then adjust it until it looks clean. Once done, let's check it. Make sure each background color clip doesn't exceed the length of the transition. After arranging them, tap the transition, select Duplicate twice. Then tap the transition again, choose Remove Background, select Chroma Key, and then tap Reset. Once done, let's check it again. From these 4 transition variations, I usually upload them to Adobe Stock without separating them. This technique is also applied to water, fire, and ink transitions. Now let's move on to the second level, editing transitions that usually sell well on Adobe Stock.